Bang.
No, I don't know anything, dude.
I don't know what am I doing wrong. The goddamn wire don't know where.
Bang.
What are you doing?
I will my goddamn machine to work. Oh,
Jesus! I can't fix this!
Oh,
What?
I want to goddamn unit to work.
Oh, man!
Goddamn.
oh my
Ah,
god.
fuck.
How about that, huh?
Please
Another TV broke.
go!
What the fuck am I gonna do?
Hey, then you're gonna get stars out!
Why'd you do that?
Thanks a lot, Bridget.
Dude,
Don't touch it!
Thanks a lot. Damn. You can at least tell me what to do.
Why did he do
When you
this?
shut it off.
What?
Why did he do that?
If you thought that
Bridget,
this,
come on, you got your TV.
you're not gonna get pranked because of
I
this,
don't think so.
I don't want your apology. I don't want nothing.
What am I gonna kill you machine now?
Michael, stop.
There's very few things that I love in this world. That was fucking one of them.
I'll get you one.